Ever stretch your fingers and hear that loud pop? Or squat down and your knees sound like bubble wrap? Bruh, are we falling apart or what? Don't worry, you're not broken. That cracking sound? It's just gas. Inside your joints, there's a special fluid that keeps everything moving smoothly. When you stretch or move a joint, tiny gas bubbles form and pop. That's the crack you hear. And no, cracking your knuckles doesn't give you arthritis. That's just a myth your grandma made up. Scientists have checked. No damage, no problems, just a cool party trick. So next time someone tells you to stop cracking your joints, hit them with the facts. Tag someone who always cracks their knuckles.